doing an action trip for all the states next year. And we're going to have RV. Oh my gosh!
Hi Explorers, Morgan and
Chris here.
Welcome back, and if you're new here, we're a family of 4 selling everything we own, our house and all of our stuff, to downsize into an RV and travel to 50 states in 50 weeks in the new year.
With such an ambitious goal in mind, we decided that it was time to sit down and write our annual vision boards.
We don't do anything just because. Everything is very intentional, and this is absolutely no different. So when we sat down and we really had to clarify why we were doing this, there's a couple things that came right to mind. First, we're not guaranteed tomorrow. We both had some health scares that just reminded us that we need to make the most of our time every single day, and especially when the kids are so cute and so little, we just need to really take advantage of that and just embrace that.
Yeah, and I think time is always against us too. You know, it's never going to be the right time or a good time, and people wait until they're retired to do this kind of thing. It's like, I want to do it now when I have energy with my kids and with these amazing memories that are going to last forever.
I'm 5.
How old are you, Jude?
And 2.
That's right. There is no place I don't want to go, and I'm really hoping that we find some places that surprise us. But right now on the top of my list is Key West, because I'm the only one in the family that's been, and I think that you guys will absolutely love it there. And I think that that would be a really unique experience. The kids have never swam in the ocean before, only the fresh water that we have in Michigan. And I just think that would be really magical. But there's so many different experiences that I want to have. I want to go to Oregon, and I want to experience natural hot springs, and I want to go whale watching in Washington. I mean, really all over. There's so many cool things. I'd love to experience the fall in the East Coast. I would love to bring the kids to the place that we met. I think that would be so magical.
That would be special, yeah. I think to take them to where we met would be really cool. Like, it might not feel cool to them, but it'd be cool for us, probably.
Yeah, maybe cooler for us. Where do you want to go?
I think for me, I'm really excited just about seeing all these amazing, natural, beautiful places, and I can't wait to go to Alaska. I think it's going to be like a beautiful spot.
I was thinking continental. Okay, Alaska and Hawaii are probably at the top of my list too.
Probably when the virus is over, I want to probably go to New York so I can eat cheese pizza.
Yes, when things get a little bit better. Yeah. Are you excited?
Do you want to eat some?
Yeah, of course. Only if I can do it with you.
I get it too.
Pretty epic if we could find an awesome spot in the States somewhere, maybe the Grand Canyon, where we could both do a bungee jump together.
Bungee jump, yes, let's do that. That's terrifying, but that's what's so exciting about zip lining. I'd love to do that.
That would be fun.
There's so many cool things in the United States that we could do, and I'm just so looking forward to it. And creating those experiences that are brand new for the kids too.
I'll be swimming with dolphins and sharks.
Ooh, swimming with dolphins and sharks?
Yeah.
We hope that you had an amazing year and you have a great new year, and we want to know what your goals are and how you plan on accomplishing them, and any tips or encouragement that you have for us, because it really keeps us going and we appreciate it so much.
Yeah, and we're not completely finalized on what we're going to be doing for our 50 weeks yet. So if you have any ideas of really cool, like we say, want unique experiences for our family, for our kids, for us. So if you know of these unique experiences in the States somewhere, just let us know so we can research them and maybe do them.
Please. See you next week. Thank you so much.
Adios.
Swim with sharks.
You want to swim with sharks?
Yeah.
Jude, would you swim with sharks?
With mommy and daddy.
I eat them.
What kind of dance? Wow, it's kind of like a new dance.
See you later. Alligator.